Yo, what's up? Welcome back with me, Reza Rap, si gamer kantang. Gua yakin kalian semua udah nungguin game ini. Alright, everybody welcome to Misao. Gue gak sabar mau mainin game ini. Yes, di hadapan kita sekarang udah ada Misao, game yang udah kalian tunggu-tunggu dari beberapa hari yang lalu semenjak gua namatin Mad Father. So today gua akan langsung mainin Misao di hadapan kalian. Ini apa tanya? Lock until the game has been beaten. Challenge accept. Let's hit it, everybody. Begin. Senang. Select your protagonist. It will not change the story. Protagonist. Itu yang baik ya kalau nggak salah. Antagonis yang jahat. It will not change the story. Boy apa girl? Let's choose girl. Kita pilih cewek aja ya, biar kayak Mad Father. Enter this girl. So cute. Enter this girl's name with the keyboard. Aki. Gue mau namanya Leia. How about that? Leia. Let's go. Let's hit it. Is Leia alright? Of course, yes. Gue suka nama Leia soalnya Kai suka nama Leia. Let's hit it. Welcome to Misao. This game contains gross imagery and black humor, as well as the ya udah terserah lu. Help. What the fuck, gue baru mulai. Find me. Who the hell are you? Gue ngomong. Misao, is that you, Misao? Misao. Jadi gue bukan Misao. Was I dreaming? Lucu, ada boneka. Lucu pisan. I thought I heard Misao. I guess it was just a dream. It's been 3 months. Toing. Oh no, it's so late. I'm gonna be late for school. Sekolah. Misao never stood out too much in our class. She was just a simple girl, really. I wasn't too close to her, but I always wondering about Misao, always by herself. I hope I could be her friend, but that didn't happen. 3 months ago, Misao went missing. What the fuck? Misao menghilang 3 bulan yang lalu. She wasn't coming to school and she hadn't come home either. She never seemed the type of flee home. Our parents were saying that she might have gotten involved in something. Well, I'm off. Our class spread the rumor that Misao was long dead by now. What the Misao-nya mati. Baru main. I really hope they are wrong. I want to be her friend. Me either. Find me. Ya, oke. Jadi, awal cerita Misao-nya udah mati, men. Bel sekolah. Sohta. So here, and then you have the attractive. Ini penjelasan si karakter kayaknya. Sohta, the attractive teacher of Leia's class, popular with students for his generosity. Ayaka. Cakep juga nih. Mr. Sohta as cool as ever. Dia naksir kayaknya si tadi. That voice I heard in my dream, was that Misao? You've got guts to ignore my lecture. Eek! You got me, yeek. You got me. This information will be essential for the test, so you'd be better listen. Yes, sir. I'm sorry. Giggle. Tadi si Leia itu gua lagi bengong tadi. So, Mr. Sohta has a new suit. Like, wow, super swift. Ayaka, Leia's best friend, a fat following girl who looks up to Mr. Sohta. Dia naksir beneran ternyata sama Mr. Sohta. Ayaka, you've been talking him up all morning. Don't you ever get tired of blabbing? But he's such a ladies man. He's so nice and smart and the best. Oh yeah, I gotta use some hand cream. Dot dot dot. Did you hear? I did. Just remember, Mr. Soto has a hand fetish. So maybe if I clean my hands constantly, every day, all the time, he'll like me more. I don't really care, Ayaka. Bener sih, gua nggak peduli sih. Jadi si Mr. Soto tuh punya fetish tangan bersih. Fetish, it's like apa ya, seks kesuka ya gitulah. Don't really care, she says. Ha, you've got no eye for men, Leia. Seriously, what do you see in a seducer like Tohma? I never said I like anybody. I just think he's kinda cool, that's all. Really? Yes, really. Yoshino. Siapa lagi nih? There's been some spooky paranormal business going on at this school. I'm getting a little freak. Tohma. Ganteng boy. Paranormal, my ass. Leia classmate, a boy, carefree, in appearance, personality, everything. Dia gak peduli sama apapun men di dunia ini. I'm for real, it's for real. The other day, a kid in the other class got dragged away in the bathroom. Yoshino, Leia's classmate, leader of the bullies. Oh, jadi dia adalah Queen Bee yang suka ngebully orang-orang. Kudo. There was also the glass in the third floor hallway being broken from inside. Kudo, Leia classmate, a calm, early maturing youth. Gotta be ghost. I love you. I'm scared. Sautom, Leia's classmate, just Autumn for short. Tohma, girl. Oh, ini pacar si Tohma. Ghost? Dumbass. Those ain't exist. Jadi ternyata di game apa namanya Misao ini karakternya lumayan banyak ya. Kalau Mad Father kan cuma beberapa. Wait, what if this Misao's curse? Look, this is no time for jokes. But I mean, it's totally possible. It's been 3 months since she vanished. Then this stuff just suddenly start. If those even are Misao's curse, then you should know be cursed sooner or later. Jadi semenjak kepergian Misao itu ada kayak kutukan gitu di sekolahnya. Whatever did I do? Yoshino, you did bully Misao a lot. Oh iya, jadi dia tukang bully yang tadi tuh si Yoshino tuh. Mungkin dia bully si Misao nih. Bully? Why? I never. I was just making a little fun. And Toma always cursed with Misao. You're the one who'll get cursed. Me? Huh? I'm fine. Misao look up to me. I wonder. Toma! I'm scared. I mean, I'm your girlfriend. Misao might have a grudge. Don't sweat it, Tom. I protect ya. I protect ya. Ow, you're so nice, Toma. Biji. Pah, don't you like lovebirds? Misao, please don't curse us. The rest are fair game though. Oops! Did I say that out loud? Ha ha ha. Mereka tuh ngebully Misao ternyata guys. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what happened here? Hey, hello. Kenapa? An earthquake? Wah, it got dark right quick. What the heck is going on? Maybe, just maybe it's really Misao curse. Misao real mad at us. Shut up! What the hell? I was kidding about that curse crap. Leia? Ya, tiba-tiba ada help. Misao? Misao? I can hear her speaking to me. Oh! No, it's gotta be her. Shut it! I don't hear her damn voice. Leia, you're talking crazy talk. I'm not. Oh, jadi gua ngedenger suara Misao. Misao? Oh. What the fuck? What the help, find me. Help. Lagi nge-rap, boy. Wow. Oh, Misao Spartan, boy. Wow. Misao. What? Ah? You finally come to. Where am I? I was just in the classroom. And who the fuck are you? He came back. Deddy Corbuzier lagi ngentak. Ada lagi anjing. I am Onigawara, the student council president. And this is the student council room. What the fuck? Dia ada di mana-mana, nyet. Luckily for you, you've ended up somewhere safe. Hey. And after the earthquake, the school was sucked into another world. This sent those inside flying all across the school. What? Another word? What's that supposed to mean? And why would that happen? Well, it's a curse. It is the result of a girl curse that this school was sealed in the other world. A curse? It couldn't be Misao. Presiden fuck you, susah banget. Presiden Onigawara. Pen, finally made it. I thought I was a goner. So you finally returned, Miss Library. Miss Library. She's the school vice president. Always in the library. So that's what we call her. So then, Miss Library, how does it look? It messed up and ganged up and fucked up. The foundation and everything is wrecked. And I haven't been able to find any exits. Plus, evil spirits are going and attacking people. I saw a student killed before my eyes. Ooh. What? Ada setan nyerang orang-orang. Ada yang kebunuh. After the earthquake, abis gempa. I'll never be able to eat hamburgers again. Oh, it was frightening. So I see. Thank you for your report. You may retire for now. Yes, well, I'm going back to the library. Call me anytime you need me. Evil spirits. The curse must have summoned them. The school is now a den of spirits, and there's nowhere to run. There's only one solution. Undoing the girl's curse. There is surely no other way. How am I supposed to undo the curse? By saving the girl's soul. Miss Leia, you must know what it is you have to do. I do? Gue? Kenapa gue? Oh. Yeah, Misao is calling me, so she wants to be found. Aduh. Jadi nyata si Misao beneran mati. Dan gara-gara itu si Deddy Corbuzier ini manggil kita ke sini karena cuman kita yang bisa dengar Misao. Mr. Onigawara, I'll go look for Misao. So you will. As library informs me, the school is full of evil spirits, and yet you wish to go? I will, because Misao is my friend. She's not my friend. She's not even my friend. I don't even know her. Understood. You're entrusted with the fate of the school. I believe you can do it. If you encounter any trouble, pay a visit to the library on the second floor. She will try her best to help. If you wish to make a record, please talk to me. I'll do so for you anytime. Will you save? Save. Data 1. Yay! You can also press C or Shift to make a quick save. Delete when the game is closed. You can ask library for more details. I pray for your safety. Udah. Ya guys, yehehe, bisa jalan. Grafiknya agak beda ya daripada Mad Father. Ini lebih pixel gitu gamenya. Items are useless if you don't equip them. Ya bener lah, bego.